Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. And today we are in a different location and a different hotel here in Houston. And as usual, I'm gonna take you downstairs and see what they offer for breakfast. And we didn't have a good breakfast yesterday at that hotel, but hopefully today it's, I hope there is something better. But it is different hotel. It's a Holiday Inn hotel, and it's cost me $93, and not including breakfast as well. The room is nice, not bad. The lobby, the entrance was good too. And let's check it out, their breakfast, and see what they offer. All right. That's the view that I get from my window. And again, it's 7:30 in the morning. And that's what it looked like outside, guys. That's a little gym there in the corner, and this is just a parking lot. And there's someone walking with a dog. How nice is that? Let's go and have a breakfast. That's the laundry. If someone want to wash their clothes, then they do have the way. But again, you have to pay when you want to use the washing machine. Just finishing my omelette, which is a staple at the Holiday Inn. I really like it. It's my favorite. I always go for omelette. Here is a quick look for surrounded area, which is a nice swimming pool next to the lobby, or where the breakfast served. It's nice. This place is massive. It's very open. And I'm gonna grab a quick copy and then head upstairs to my room, guys. So it's a nice setup. They got pretty much everything as you would expect for breakfast from a hotel. So that's good. They got nice setup, and the area just nice too. It's more special. That's the coffee bar right there. Alright, let's get a coffee. And then I got a big day, guys, today. I'm going to be heading to Space Center today here in Houston. And once I do that, then later tonight I got a flight heading to Washington, D.C. So that's a good thing. I can show you around and, just to check that side of the world. And so it's a big day. Good coffee, guys. Nice. I like hot coffee, and this is pretty hot, so that's a good thing. Alright, guys, so that's for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and it was a nice setup. I really enjoyed the food, and on the way back I'm gonna definitely grab a cup of coffee because they had a good coffee too. So that's for now, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.